got the letter. Now we are allowed to participate in the process. So let's see how it goes.
Anurag, you mentioned the meeting with the MOS.
That was 1.5 2 years back. It was reported.
Are you disappointed right now with the way the MOS and
Absolutely.
the industry has been?
I think my disappointment was pretty clear yesterday.
Anurag,
Pretty clearly I said I'm disappointed.
In the light of what Anurag has said, I want to ask Anurag a very interesting question, and it's very important for all of you to know, because I want to call the bluff of Mr. Pailaj Dhinani. His vicious way of moving things, I want to ask him a very simple question in front of the media. Today is, what's the date today? Everybody knows, 8th of June. I want to know when and how much time does it take for the CPFC to send that letter to FCAT? And when will FCAT receive that letter? He has this very interesting modus operandi of keeping the letter in his drawer. He will never give you the cuts, everything is verbal, so that he can misinterpret, tell lies to cover up the way he wants to do things, which he's doing up till now.
Yeah, the previous
I want to
letter he
ask a
said is
question.
still in the speed post after 10 days.
Yeah, so that's what I'm saying. All you know, he'll wake up on the 26th of June and decide to send the letter when there is some letter coming from the High Court or something like that. Till the time you don't push things and he finds that his intention is only to do harm to the industry, and a person who is a roadblock and not a facilitator should be removed. That is something intolerable, unacceptable to the filament fraternity, and we want him out because his moves are malicious, vicious. He is conniving in every act of his. He will delay the process, and in the process, I know, I'm a filmmaker, I'm a producer. The film is exposed to a minimum 60 crore rupee loss. Who's going to pay this? The government is going to pay this? The CPFC is going to pay this? It's a fundamental question I'm asking. Ekta Kapoor and Phantom have invested 60 crores of rupees. Who's going to pay this? I want Pailaj Dhinani to answer this. Being a filmmaker, he knows the amount of money that is riding on a film. This is unpardonable kind of exploitation and holding at ransom done by the state organization. In broad daylight, we are held at ransom, and this is absolutely appalling, and we will not take this anymore. Period. Full stop.
Anurag,
ऐसे नहीं सुनाई देगा एक सेकंड
Anurag, sir.
FCAT में आज तक तो ऐसा हुआ नहीं और जनरली कट्स देते नहीं है. So let's see in the sense I don't like to presume things.
Anurag, hi.
Are you trying to sue Mr. Dhinani?
We have not yet discussed that. I just find this morning we'll figure it out what to do. What it right now for me it's just a joke.
Anurag.
What is the real life connection to the politician? And what exactly are the paths that CPFC has suggested?
Sanjay.
Yeah, so the political connection, what exactly is the political connection of Kurta Punjab, and what are the...
What political excuse me.
Are we really referring to any politician?
Absolutely not. Absolutely not.
One,
The
and
film does not refer to any political party or politician.
Okay, another thing, the cuts that we're talking about, are they really 89 cuts or 14 cuts that the reviewing...
See, it's not the letters don't come like they don't count the number of cuts. They has asked us to delete certain words, and those words I don't know how many times they come in the film. We have not counted how many times Punjab comes in the film. We have not counted. So it's around 94. 94. Okay, 94.
94 cuts. And what specific cuts are we talking about? What scenes?
I don't think so. It's mostly Punjab and name of the cities and all that. I'm saying that more than that also not is a kind of a public thing. I think the thing is the fact that he's asked for cuts is something that we are against.
Anurag, hi. Anurag.
One second.
Anurag.
हम लोग ने भी मैंने भी यही कहा कि अच्छा एक चीज हम लोग ऐसा करते हैं कि एक सवाल का मैं जवाब एक बार दे दूं तो वही सवाल दोबारा ना पूछें. हम लोग की कोशिश है कि हम 17 को ही रिलीज करें. हम अभी हमें यहाँ बैठे मीटिंग में वो आया है कि FCAT का इंफॉर्मेशन की जज बाहर उनका लेटर आया है, तो अभी हम लोग उसको जाके फिगर आउट करेंगे वो उसको हमको कैसे सॉल्व करना है. तो हाँ, दूसरी चीज जहां तक कट्स का सवाल है, करेक्ट, हम ये फिल्म चाहते हैं जैसी बनाई है, जिस इंटेंशन के साथ सब लोग जुड़े थे फिल्म के साथ, ये फिल्म वैसी की वैसी बाहर आए। हमारी कोशिश है कि ये फिल्म को हम इंटैक्ट बाहर लेके आए। तो कट उन्होंने कुछ भी मांगे हो, हमारे लिए उसमें जानने की जरूरत नहीं है। बहुत सारे कट्स उन्होंने, आपने खुद ही मीडिया में पढ़े हुए हैं, लेकिन हम लोग चाहेंगे फिल्म इंटैक्ट आए और हम लोग उसके लिए जहां तक जाना पड़ेगा, जहां तक लड़ सकते हैं हम लोग लड़ेंगे, जहां तक हमारी कैपेसिटी है, जहां तक हमारी हिम्मत है।
apart from Sanjay, Gaurav from Midday, apart from whatever controversies related to the certification is happening, the distributors and the exhibitors for the film, a lot of them are, kind of, under the pressure of the government. Maybe some particular organization have told them not to release the film in Punjab. And if they
I
do that,
have no information like that, because I feel half the information that's floating around is being created to create an atmosphere of fear, and which I think
there are
One second. Prayers you have while approaching the Bombay High Court, what are the different prayers you have asked for? Because there are some 2-3 things that are coming up. One is the
Sanjay bhai, thought नीचे छोड़.
say that after that the
Mobile.
So what are the different prayers you have approached Bombay High
The
Court?
prayer as of now is only for getting a letter, which we got the letter.
मोबाइल नीचे करो यार.
Anurag, in an interview given today by Kailash Narayan,
Sanjay bhai, थोड़ा नीचे हो ना.
mentioned and he said that there is a dog named Jackie Chan which they want out. Punjab is looking Punjab or Aulad Tanjar hai. And he also says that there are defamatory references to people in Ludhiana, Jalandhar and other cities of Punjab which paints all Punjabis in bad light. Such a movie if released will bring a bad name to the community that is present everywhere in the world.
that is the way Mr. Pellanani interprets a movie. So that's what I would say.
I think,
one question.
this is the last question. Huh?
संजय bhai, थोड़ा नीचे.
जैसा एक पूरा बात चल रहा है कि आपको लगता है कि फैलान के बाद आपकी प्रॉब्लम बनी है या फिर सेंसर बोर्ड के ऊपर कोई पॉलिटिकल दबाव होता है कि पिक्चर को रोका जाए या फिर
मुझे तो दोनों चीजों से ही प्रॉब्लम, मेरे को दोनों ही चीजें नहीं लगती। मुझे लगता है प्रहलाद जी का प्रॉब्लम कंट्रोल का है। जिस आदमी को कंट्रोल नहीं कर पाते वो आदमी उनका दुश्मन हो जाता है। और ज्यादा दबाव की बात है, अगर सिर्फ पॉलिटिकल दबाव एक पर्टिकुलर फिल्म पे होता तो इतने सारे लोग यहाँ नहीं बैठे होते।
Thank you.
कुछ ऐसा नहीं है।
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much.